This is Rob with SafeNet AT, and today we're integrating F5 Big IP with our Luna SA HSM for Government. The first step to prepare for this integration, we'll log into the HSM and create a partition using partition create -partition, and I'll give it the name F5INT. We'll specify a password for the partition and then the cloning domain. The next step, we'll need to have the Luna client software. This is a special build for F5 Big IP. You can obtain this from our customer support team. First, we'll SSH into the Big IP, and we'll create a directory using the makedir command under the shared folder called SafeNet_install. Once we have that directory prepared, we can move to our host system. This will work from Windows or Linux, and either SCP or PSCP, the Luna client software tar file, to the Big IP instance in the directory shared SafeNet install. With the client tar file installed in the correct location, we can now use the script net-hsm-safenet-install.shell. We'll specify HSM IP address. And for image, we'll specify the tar file for the client that we uploaded to the Big IP. Answer yes to proceed. The install script handles exchanging the certificates between the client and the HSM, so we'll be prompted twice to enter the password to log into the HSM for retrieving the server certificate and sending the client certificate. At this point, the script pauses to allow us to log into the HSM to complete the integration on that side. Logging into the HSM, we register the client using client register-client. I'm naming it F5INT, and then -IP and the IP address. Once the client is registered, we can assign the partition using client assign partition -client F5int -partition and the name of the partition, which is also F5int. Now back in the window running the script, we press any key to continue, and the script verifies the connection to the HSM. We're prompted for the partition password, and then installation continues. At this point, as the script indicates, we need to run source and then bash profile. This sets up the path variable for the Luna SA HSM to work with Big IP. Now we can verify the integration by clicking on System and Certificate Management. Click on Create, enter a name for the key along with a common name, and under Security Type, we'll select Net HSM. Then click Finished. This will create the key on the HSM. We can verify that the key was created in hardware by logging into the HSM and using the command partition show contents -partition and the partition name, which is F5int. Enter the password for the partition, and then we'll see the objects. Here is the test key that we created in BigIP. And this completes the integration of F5 BigIP with our Luna SA HSM for Government.